Hello friends, my name is Akash Goyal and you are watching Analytics Diksha YouTube channel. Our today's problem is you have to find users' online personality using a hashtag. So my dear friend, let's divide the problem into bits and then solve. So this lecture will contain two parts. One is emphasizing on the problem statement and its keyword, and second is the approach. Okay, so now let's try to understand this problem. Okay, so I assume that everyone knows a social media platform, Twitter, where hashtag has been extensively used and welcomed by a large number of community. Okay, so the problem statement is our India current Prime Minister is Narendra Modi, right? You have to find his online personality. So personality contains or comprises of like what people are talking about him and how the Modi is related to n number of things. So this will comprise the online personality. Okay, so this is very a basic problem statement. Now we will divide the problem like what is the hashtag and what is the meaning of online personality. Okay, so firstly let's go to the hashtag. So my dear friends, in several research papers it has been shown that there are usually three types of hashtags. Okay, so the first hashtag is kind of topic hashtag which contains the topic. Another is sentiment hashtag which contains the sentiment only, and the third hashtag type is hybrid of topic and sentiment. Okay, so now jump into the topic hashtag. Any hashtag which basically talking about some topic. So before going into this, what we did is we taken a hash query Modi. Okay, so we taken a hash query Modi and using Twitter API we scrapped some tweets around 4800 which contains the Modi hashtag. Now there were certain hashtags we found which divided into three types. So the first type is topic. So basically we found like one hashtag was hash BJP. This was the hashtag which was the more frequent with hash Modi. The second one was Karnataka elections. The third was hash PM. These were the most frequent hashtags. Okay, so you can see this is the topic, this is the Karnataka election 2018. It is usually very much in the news. The third is PM. Okay, the second class is the sentiment, so which signifies the sentiment. Okay, only. So like hash love, hash sucks, hash अच्छे दिन, and so on. And the third type is which contains topic as well as sentiment, like I love Modi. Okay, so if you segment this hashtag you will find there is one I love and Modi. Okay, so basically this love is your sentiment and this your Modi is the topic. Okay, so these are the usually three types of hashtags. Now we have seen like there are three types of hashtags which usually present on Twitter. Now using these hashtags we will try to evaluate the personality part. Okay, now see what is the personality. So my dear friends, like personalities, if we can know about the opinions, like what are the opinions for that specific persons, opinion for user, and our here user is Modi. So what are the opinions coming for him? And other is like what are the topics he related to. So personality signifies if we can find like how he is related to ABC things, and what are the things the person is talking about him, like either he is good or bad, or like whatever the policy he did is good or bad, like these things. Okay. Now come to the approach part. Okay, so approach first is, I already explained, we got a scrapped tweets around 4800, and it contains a hashtags Modi and several others, H1, H2 and H1. Now the second step is we calculated the frequency of hash Modi with all the hashtags which are from 1 to n. Okay, so my dear friends, I am going in a direction like if two hashtags comes together, we can find a relationship between them, like how is Modi related to the GST, how Modi is related to the kind of leadership, how Modi is powerful. Okay, now once we compute this, we denoise hashtags. So my dear friends, there are certain hashtags which are neither the positive neither the negative, like hash hi, hash hello, okay, hash morning. So these are the non-subjective tweets, neither the positive neither the negative, right? Now once we denoise the hashtag, so basically we have removed the noise. Now we will get a certain kind of a graph. So in the graph, the central node will be the Modi, okay, and how he is related to the, let's say, GST, how he is related to the, let's say, leadership. So my dear friend, this like GST is the kind of topic hashtag, leadership is kind of an opinion hashtag or the sentiment hashtag, and another can be kind of like I love Modi. Okay, so these are the subjectives, okay, which I found from the Twitter. So now we can come to the solution, final solution, which tells about Modi that he is related to the GST topic, he is related to the PM, so it means he can be PM, okay, and using our domain knowledge we can assure that he is the PM. And another is he is, which I found one interesting, is hash farmer, so he's related to the farmers. And another which I found, there are certain characteristics of him like the leadership, and another was like powerful. So these are the sentiment hashtags. And the third type I found is I love Modi, and another one is I found is hash farmer death. So here farmer is the topic and death is your negative sentiment. Okay, so in order to conclude this lecture, we can say two things. One is, as hashtag is being used extensively on the Twitter, it brings lot of opportunity to find tweets more expressive and how we can mine the tweets to get more information. And the second thing is, application we discussed is that hashtag plays a role in finding the user's online personality in terms of opinion, like leadership powerful, and second is in terms of like what are the subjects he is related to. He is related to PM, he is related to GST, he is related to the, let's say the last one is BJP. So this is the lecture, and you will also find the code of this lecture in my GitHub account. I will share the links after this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share. Thanks.